As you're working with fondant, there are some major pitfalls that you want to avoid. If you're hoping to get to this level with your cake decorating, keep watching. In this video, I share the top 5 things you should never do when working with fondant. These essential tips will help you save time and frustration while decorating your next cake with fondant. First, never handle fondant in an unclean environment. Surfaces covered in dust, lint, and other debris create an unsanitary condition which set the stage for contamination. Make sure to thoroughly clean and sanitize your work surfaces and fondant tools before working with fondant. Keeping your hands clean is very important when working with fondant. Because you'll mainly be working with your hands, never handle fondant while wearing hand and wrist jewelry. Be sure to remove all rings and all bracelets before you start. Additionally, prepare yourself by tying your hair back. This will help to minimize the likelihood of stray hairs showing up in your fondant. This one directly relates to keeping your work area tidy. If you're enjoying this video, please click the like button below and subscribe to my channel for more cake decorating tips and tutorials. Now let's keep going. Next, never place fondant directly onto a bare, unfrosted cake. Always ice your cake first, wait for it to set, and then cover your cake with fondant. The layer of icing serves 2 purposes. First, it helps the fondant adhere to the cake, keeping the fondant in place. And second, it's a backup for people who strongly dislike fondant and will peel it off before eating the cake. Next, never place your cake in a cold refrigerator. The important word here is cold. The extreme temperature change that occurs when you move a cold cake to room temperature results in unsightly condensation. This is also referred to as sweating. This condensation will leave water spots on your fondant and make the fondant sticky. Instead, store your fondant cake in a cool refrigerator. Placing the cake in a box also reduces the likelihood of condensation. Are you adding a fondant topper to your cake? These often weigh more than other types of cake toppers because they have a solid core. For that reason, never travel with a fondant topper already placed on top of your cake. I know from experience that bumps in the road could be disastrous. Instead, travel with the cake topper separate from the cake and place it once it's reached its final destination. These tips are just a handful of things never to do with fondant. If you want to learn more, click into this video, which will go into more fondant mistakes to avoid. You can also click into the playlist underneath and check out all of my videos about decorating cakes with fondant. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.